Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel NAIJA News and Entertainment. I've got something interesting to share with you guys today as Theresa worries about premature checkout. While Presh was having the time of her life in the kitchen, it was clear that Theresa was feeling quite down, and Bay even hopped into the kitchen and helped to lift her spirits. After quite a bit of stalking, she confessed that she had cried herself to sleep, stressing out about whether their love story would continue beyond Sunday. She elected to pray and make peace with whatever God's will is for her and Iyke. Iyke gave her a kiss on her forehead and told her to stay strong. We love to see this. So guys, Theresa seemed to be unsettled about being on the checkout hot seat. She had her worries boldly written on her forehead, getting Iyke's attention immediately. Iyke was able to calm his mother's agony down after several passionate hugs. Theresa, babe, it is good for you to feel what it is like to be up for possible checkout. It is easy to nominate people, but hard to be in same shoes. Don't worry, we'll be able to know your fate when Auntie announces the winner of Monday mission. Of course, she announced already and Bola is saved. So Theresa is still up for possible checkout on Sunday. Okay guys, it is in your hand now to save your favorite couples. For me, I stick with Roxy. I thank God Roxy is now up for possible checkout this Sunday. So I don't know about you guys. Save your favorite couple. Okay, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.